Hello, Holmes County. How you doing today? Hello, surrounding counties outside of Holmes County. How you doing today? State of Mississippi. How are you doing today? United States of America. How you doing today? The purpose of this video is for a fundraiser. A link to a GoFundMe account. I'm in the process of trying to raise $4,000, $5,000, or $6,000. I'm gonna say $5,000. I'm trying to raise enough money to get microscopes, about 30 microscopes or more, to put in our biology classes or biology class at the Holmes County Central High School in Lexington, Mississippi. Our 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th graders, high schoolers, do not have maybe one, probably not any, but I think it might be one microscope that works. They have 7 or 8 in a cabinet in the old science lab at the high school, and none of them work. This is high school, and the only thing they can teach with the microscope are the parts of the microscope. They can't utilize the microscope to look through the lenses and investigate stuff and learn about different stuff, cells or organisms or parasites or bacteria. You know what you look on them, you know what you do with a microscope. They don't have that in this county. So the purpose of this video is to try to raise money, about a good $5,000, to purchase some microscopes ranging from, I think, $159 to $200. We'll see what $5,000 can get us if I get people to help out in this fundraiser. This is not for me. I don't need the money. I got my own money. This is for our children at our high school in Holmes County, Mississippi. And I know sometimes when you put stuff out like this, you try to help the community. You're going to have positive feedback. You're going to have negative feedback. So let me just nip a whole lot of stuff in the bud right now. Once again, I don't need this money. This is for our children. Microscopes. They are in need of a lot of stuff, and this is just one thing that they need. And I think the microscope that they got at the school right now, they might have been there in the 70s or 80s, maybe the 90s. I don't know. I know they're not working. I know they're not working because I went and verified today and checked for myself. I wanted to see for myself. And it kind of hurts you that they don't have the necessary tools that they need to help them in their learning. And let me nip something else in the bud too. Before any negative comments come on this page, or under this GoFundMe, excuses as to why you won't help your own children, excuses as to why you won't help your community, excuses as to why you won't help, excuses like the previous superintendents, the previous boards, what they did, what they did not do. Time out for all that. Question is, what have you done? And I know the state of Mississippi has taken over our school district. They control it anyway. And I know the state of Mississippi has a history of underfunding public schools with majority black students in it. So me personally, I don't have no faith in the state of Mississippi. I don't have no faith in the state of Mississippi when it comes down to the public school system with majority black children in it. I just don't have no faith in it. I don't. I mean, I was born and raised in Mississippi. I live in Mississippi. I own property in Mississippi. I pay taxes in Mississippi. I'm from Mississippi. I'm in Mississippi right now while you're watching this video, but I just don't have no faith in the state of Mississippi when it comes down to the public school system with majority black children in it, because they have a history of underfunding. So what I'm asking is for the community to participate and get involved in your own school system without the excuses of who did what, when they did it, and when they didn't do it. Without excuses of trying to remain at the bottom. Because we are part of that too. So that's what this video is about. If you know anybody that would like to donate, I know some people have it, some people don't have it. I don't have it like that, but I try to do what I can. If you know somebody in the NBA, the NFL, professional soccer, professional baseball, anybody, entertainers, rappers, I don't care. I'm just trying to raise some money, a good $5,000 to buy about 30 microscopes, maybe a few more, depending on how the money come in, to give this to our high school in Holmes County, Mississippi. And that's it. Look, I don't care if you sell dope. Our children need some stuff. You know what I'm saying? So if you're an alumni of Holmes County, if you're from a biker club, a social club, a sorority, a fraternity, a community organization, a church, a leader, a political leader in Holmes County, or whoever, our children need this stuff. And when you take the time to go out and walk through it yourself, and you see what they don't have, and you see what type of disadvantage that they're in and they have been in generation after generation, that falls on us too. And we really got to stop pointing the finger at everybody other than ourselves to make us look good. No, we look bad as a whole because we won't participate and get involved in our own school system other than when it's time to complain about what somebody did or what somebody didn't do, or what this board did or what this board didn't do, or what this superintendent did or what this superintendent didn't do. It's time out for that. It's time out for that. It's not about us grown folks. These kids are 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. And then you got a whole bunch more coming behind them. So that's just one project that they need in a biology class. And I just thought, it just crossed my mind like, I know it got to be somebody in Holmes County School District that can help come up with some stuff that's going to kill COVID-19. And that mentality is there. That gift, that smartness, that gift in the mind is there with those children, but they don't have the opportunity to make it boom, to make it go boom. You know what I'm saying? We got to provide them with every resource and every tool that they need to advance. And like I said, biology is just one class. That's just one thing out of many that they need. So that's all I'm asking. Please help and please donate. If you can't do it, you can't do it. If you can do it, please help. I know the population of Holmes County estimated, 19,000 again. Can you imagine if only 5,000 people gave $1? There's it right there. Not no once a week, not no once a month. Just $1, 5,000 people. Can you imagine what would happen if 5,000 people out of that 19,000 gave $2? That's $10,000 right there. Might get a whole lot more. But this is just trying to raise money for $5,000 to get about 30 microscopes. So our students can have something that they can use to learn more. And that's all I'm asking. So, like I said, when you're making videos like this, you're going to have positive feedback and you're going to have negative feedback. If you got a negative feedback, a negative spirit, a negative energy about your own children in your own community, I'm asking that you please delete me and block me off your page, because I don't want your type of energy around me. I can't stand that type of energy. I don't need that around me. We're in a situation right now and there's no time for negativity. But if your mind is open, your eyes are open, and you can see the need that our children need, then help out. And thank you for the time to listen to this video. Y'all have a good day.